So as you can see here, what we're doing here is we're building our doorway here. And one thing is, I started this, but to keep in mind, we've got a rough opening here already. And I've allowed for the rough buck, and I've allowed for our rough opening of our door that we're going to be ordering. That's got to fit in here. So as you can see, I'm keeping my blocks plumb. So I want to make sure that this is plumb all the way up. So I'm going to put a couple of blocks in showing that this is going to stay true. Now I can lock it in place, and I'll build this all the way up to the point where we're ready for our lintel. To establish a rough opening on our Osblock here, what I've done is this window is going to be centered on this wall. I looked up what the RO was of the window. The window is going to be rough opening of 25 by 25, as you can see there. One thing to establish is I've got my height of where my window is going to be. My window could be slightly lower, so what I'm going to do is I'll build the two blocks up, I'll put my lintel on, and then later I will measure my rough opening and measure down to make sure that this is where it needs to be. And if I have to, I will trim the bottom using the chainsaw. So with Osblock, we can have an opening up to 7 feet, giving us 6 inches on either side of that. Anything beyond that, then we'd build using LVL, we'd be using 2 by 12, making up a lintel to bridge that even wider. But for now, in this case here, we've got our lintel in place, and we'll be putting a lintel over top the door.